Alright, hello. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace this strap on this GT Elite paintball mask. The reason for this replacement is that the elasticity on this strap is just way overstretched, and I just want to go ahead and replace it. So, step one, get it out of its little prongs that hold the mask in place. I see right here, figuring it out. This is really simple to do. You're just gonna pull on that little strap right there, pull it out from the slot. It's a lot like a snowboarding goggle, so you can actually replace your strap on your snowboarding goggle the same way on particular models. So there you go. You're gonna pull it out, and so it's just the same steps you're gonna do. So you're gonna reverse the steps when you go ahead and actually put the strap on there. So first step was to remove the mask from this pod, and you see here the strap is in that way. So you're gonna put the strap in the same way. You're gonna put the strap in here. I'm making sure it's the same size. By K3. K3 is not sponsoring me for this video. And then this one's pretty nice. It has a little elasticity in the back. So it's just the reverse order in the steps. So you're gonna go ahead and put the strap in the face covering part, not the goggle. So here we go. I'm gonna take it off the bag, put that strap in reverse order. So I'm gonna put it in the mask part first, and then the goggles. So it goes pretty straightforward there. The hardest part really is just getting that piece right there, that T piece at the end of the strap, in through the goggle. Okay. Again, it's my first time actually putting this new strap into a paintball mask. So it's not the goggle you put in first. I was struggling with that, so I think, yeah, right there. I put the strap with the mask on first, then the goggle. It's a lot harder, and it's the really only way to do it with this particular mask with JT. It's not a JT Elite, it's not the Flex, it's the whole mask. So then I got my multi-tool here, needle nose, to help pull the strap through the little slot there. I don't have fingernails, so it's a lot easier for you to grab your multi-tool or needle nose pliers to pull that out through the slot. Being new to paintball, I really enjoy the JT mask. They're just very modular, and this is the less expensive version of GD mask. I do own the Flex and the Pro Flex, but this, even though it's the less expensive option, it's just nice that it's modular, and I can detach the goggle and actually use it for snowboarding if I wanted to, skiing, or other kind of like other sports, maybe even jet skiing or boating. Here we go, the very last part of the goggle, detaching it through the mask, which is getting the strap into their goggle. That's the most difficult part of it, but even so, it's not as difficult as other things. But it actually fits a whole lot nicer too. A whole lot nicer. Actually, I even use these goggles for scootering, to be honest with you, and I really enjoy actually having a paintball mask while I'm scootering. But yeah, it's just trying to use this paintball mask for multi-purpose uses. Thank you for your patience and thank you for watching. Honestly, if you found value in this video, just give me a like. I'm really trying to grow my subscribership, get a fan base going or something, or whatever. And see, made it a little bit easier. It's a lot easier if you do one corner at a time. Because once you get that corner in there first, just take that multi-tool and go ahead and just, fit the rest of it in there. But yeah, and these masks are pretty cheap. I got this one on eBay for like less than $30, like 30 or 40 bucks. This one is really nice. It comes with a replaceable lens. Actually, I don't know if this is one of the used ones I bought where I replaced the tint on this particular goggle because it came clear. So I went on Amazon and bought some orange tint for it as well. So I'm just slowly like customizing this mask. I really fell in love with the design with the lightning bolt all over it. I still use it for paintball as well. And here it is. I'm starting from scratch. But yeah, I kind of went backwards on this, and I think this is where I messed up and made a boo-boo, where I started putting in the goggles first and thinking, oh no, it's in reverse order. I have to start with the mask, then the goggles, okay? But yeah, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.